Okay. So this is the place. I like it.
Tunataka tuwakaribishe uingie kwa resort muone venye tuko.
Yes.
And welcome all. Karibuni. Thank you so much. Right here we have Mr. Lumumba.
Yes.
This is our patron.
Yes.
And I would love to introduce you to him.
Yes.
Mr. Lumumba, you can say a few words to introduce.
Yes. I'm humbled and happy to see all of you.
Yes.
And we are looking forward to making this night a very memorable night.
Yes.
It is simple.
Mm.
Movement and movement and song and song.
Yes.
Unaona vile wameng'ara. Huyu ako na red.
Thank you.
Huyu ako na red. Pia unaweza shika hii ujifanye ni maua. Hata hiyo mimi.
Nani nafaa? Mimi na yeye. Ndaka kama lele.
So even kabla tuanze unajua kitambo sijui how you used to tower. This is our main couple today. So sijui utawabariki aje. Lakini kitambo sijui watu walikuwa wanaekelewa mikono, lakini siku hizi watu wanapigwa na pesa. Unajua vile wanaikiliwa wanasikia na pesa.
Si kugongelea mtu pesa. Receive my blessings. We'll get your number, and we'll be able to do something underground. It's crazy. You don't show everything.
Yes.
Obviously like this.
Yes.
Be blessed.
Thank you very much.
And through your own Can we see the food before the wedding?
Fertile things to
Amepiga flash ya video.